Kawaii drawing.
Yay!
Hey, kawaii lover! Today we're drawing an adorable teddy bear hugging a heart. This super cute bear is perfect for Valentine's Day, special gifts, or just to spread some love through your art. With its fluffy fur, big sparkling eyes, and a lovely heart, this drawing will be fun and easy to follow. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new kawaii drawing tutorial. Grab your pencils, markers, or digital tools, and let's bring this cute teddy bear to life step by step. Ready? Let's draw. Hey kawaii lover, are you enjoying this video? Don't forget to give it a like and share it so others can discover the world of kawaii art and enjoy it as much as you do. Hey kawaii lover, are you enjoying this video? Don't forget to give it a like and share it so others can discover the world of kawaii art and enjoy it as much as you do. It's time to bring your kawaii drawing to life with color. Congratulations, artist! Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video or on kawaiidrawing.com.